Have you ever wondered how to buy cryptocurrencies through peer-to-peer trading, or commonly known as P2P trading? Introducing BitNasdaq, your trusted platform for P2P cryptocurrency buying. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide. Log in to your BitNasdaq account. Navigate to the P2P trading section designed specifically for peer-to-peer cryptocurrency trading. In the P2P trading buy section, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to buy from the list of available options. After selecting the desired cryptocurrency, choose the buying option that suits your preferences and availability. Set your parameters for the purchase, including the amount of cryptocurrency, the price you're willing to pay, and any additional requirements. Before proceeding, review all the trade details, including the price, quantity, payment method, and any additional terms. Ensure everything is accurate. When you're ready, click the Buy button to proceed with the purchase. This action notifies potential sellers. The BitNasdaq platform facilitates communication between you and potential sellers. Discuss details, negotiate terms, and ask any questions using the messaging system. Follow the seller's payment instructions and make the payment using the agreed-upon payment method. Double-check the payment details before sending any funds. Once you've made the payment, notify the seller and provide the necessary proof, such as a transaction receipt or a screenshot. The seller will verify the payment and release the cryptocurrency from the escrow account. Once you receive the cryptocurrency in your BitNasdaq wallet, your trade is complete and you can check it in your order history. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to P2P cryptocurrency buying on BitNasdaq.